Artist, how are you? Myself, Aman, and you know, in previous video I have discussed about the doctor versus teachers. I have discussed about that topic because I am learning English here. That's why I am speaking so many different type of topic by which we can learn English more. So that's why I am speaking here. So if you are finding any type of mistake with during the speaking, so you should avoid that type of mistake because this video is not any type of study purpose. This video is only for the learning purpose, as you know, because we are live as I often say, if you want to learn a language, then you should indulge with that language. Without indulging, you cannot learn that language, because we are living such type of area where people speak their native language, so it becomes very difficult task to learn a new language. So if you want to learn a new language, then you need to create a good environment of that language, external environment as well as internal environment of that language, then you can learn that language. So that's why I try to speak English. I try to make good internal environment in my mind, because when you will try to speak English, then you should first you think in Hindi. After that, you try to convert in English. But this is not good way of learning English. If you can create your thought in English, then you can speak English more. That's why I am speaking on a particular topic. So the today's topic in my video is a job versus business. Job versus business. Most of the people want to do job, and most of the people want to do business. So I am going to talk about what is better and what is good for you. So first I will speak about the job, then I will speak about the business. Of course, when I talk about the job, so most of the people try to do job because they and in the job they try to do uh, government job, not any type of private job. Most of the you will find there are so many lakhs of students are preparing every year for the government of job. Do you know what is the reason? That's why people, most of the students are doing the preparation of the different type of the government examination, because they think that their job is secure, that the job is safe, their job is protected. So that's why they are preparing for that type of the job. And the second thing is, when you open your social media, when you open your different type of the social media platform, then you will find so many teachers are available on that platform, who is supporting to the student that you should need to do the preparation of the government examination, because it is very better examination. And so many I know so many people are only so I know so many student is only doing the preparation of the UPSC and civil examination, because they see different type of video on the YouTube, different type of the smart life of the UPSC is parent on the YouTube. That's why they are doing the preparation of that type of the examination. So I would like to tell you that it is not good reason to start the preparation of the government examination. If you want to really do the government job, you should you don't think that if I will get government job, then I will take every enjoy of life. It is very wrong thing, because life is not bed of rose. You will have to face the different problem in your life, and you will have to face the problem in your life until you are living upon this earth. So till the breath of the life you will face problem. So don't tell to yourself that if I will get the government job, then my life will be secure, my life will be go to be better, my life my family will be go to better. Because uh, if you so I want to tell you, if you want to start the preparation of the government job, then you should tell to yourself that I will have to get this job to serve the people. When you can tell to yourself as this purpose, of course you will you will you will be do very hard work, and you will achieve your job. And when that day when you will achieve the government job, the whole government job is very good job. If you get this type of job, and if you are doing service for the serving of the people, for the society, for the if you are paying your determination for the society, if you think about the society, if you care the problem of the society, if you share the problem of the society, of course you will be happy in your life, because you are not getting that type of job for your own beneficial. You are getting that type of job for the society at large. So when you can do this, of course you can live a perfect life, you can live a beautiful life. Because, and of course job is very, I think, very good score, very good thing for living a life. If you are doing a job, then I think you and the government job is very nice, because there is no type. I know some job, some government job is very different type of the press the government give to the uh, serviceman. But there are so many government jobs where you will have not to face problem, you will be live very good life. So there are so many type of jobs. So if you want to do preparation of the government job, so you should go there, you should go there and start to preparation of that government type of government job. But you should tell to yourself that I am preparing for the job, not for the own not for the own beneficial. I am doing the preparation of this job for the society, for the society of the people at large. When you can tell to yourself, of course you can see very beautiful result in your life. So I would like to tell you next that as I told you about the job, so what is the most of the people student is doing the preparation of the job. So it may be you may be think that if I will not get job, if I will not get job, what will I do in next? Because if 50, if one, suppose that if 1 crore a student is doing the preparation of the different type of job, so if I will not get that type of the job, what will I do in the future? What will I choose in the future? Because I didn't get job. No, it's not right. If you didn't get job, don't really. Because I would like to tell you that if you are paying your determination, if you are paying your hard work to achieve that type of job, still if you didn't get that type of job, then you are not empty hand. You have so many qualities, you have determination, you are a hard work person, you can do any other thing, you can learn any other skill, and you can grow in the other aspect of life. Because this world is very large. If you want to do something, then there are so many type of the work available upon this earth. You can start any type of work. So it does not matter that if you cannot, if you didn't get job, then it does not matter, your life is going to be worse. You can do any other thing, because you are a hard work person, you can learn so many things from there. So this is the good point of that place. And so now I would like to tell you that if you are paying every type of effort, every type of struggle, of course you will get something. You will not return from by empty hand. You will get something. See, I am sure. So you should try to be focus on your goal. You should try to be take that type of job. And if you are getting the job, then it's very nice, it's very beautiful, it's very fantastic thing. So job is not a bad thing, it is very good thing. If you want to do job, then you can do, and you can live a very happy life with that job. And and now I am going to talk about the business. So most of the people think that we should start a business or we should do job. I mean, should we do job or should we do business? What should we do? Most of the people ask. So I would like to tell you that if you want to serve for the society at large, if you want to do something big, if you want to make some change in your life, if you want to do something very big, you can choose this next thing, that is business. Because you are not bounded in this area. When you will start to do business, then there's no limitation of your earning. I am not saying that you are bounded in this field. You are not bounded in this field. You can learn whatever, you can earn whatever you want to earn. It depends upon you. So what is the most important thing to start a business? Most of the people ask, is money, is time? So is money and is time is not much. Of course it is required, but it is not much important than behavior. What does it mean? Because behavior is one of the most important thing to require to start any type of business. If you have good behavior, if you can handle people good well, if you can talk to the people good well, if you can express your ideas front of the others people with good well, good way, if you can deliver your ideas to others, if you can show your caliber to the other people, of course you will grow in your business, and you can make your business as a global. So whatever you can do, whatever you want to do, you can do. The most important thing is your hard work and your preservation and your determination. So I would like to tell you that if you want to, if you if you want to start any type of business, of course you need to do hard work, otherwise job is better for you. You should not start a business, because when you will go to business you will have to face a risk, because the life of entrepreneur is not easy. They are facing different type of struggle, they are facing different type of up down problem in his life. So if you are thinking that if I will go for the business, then and I will live same life as a job, so it is not true. Because if you are going to earn more, if you will, then you will have to sacrifice more. Without the sacrifice, without paying more, you cannot earn more. As you know, when you will go to purchase some costly thing, you will have to pay, you will have to pay more money. But when you will go to purchase some cheaply thing, you will have to pay less money. So it just depend upon you, what type of the thing you are purchasing, what type of the thing you are selling. It just depend upon you. So if you are going to achieve any valuable thing, then of course you will have to pay more, you will have to sacrifice more, then you can achieve. Otherwise you cannot achieve. So I would only like to tell you that if you are not if you cannot do hard work, then job is better for you. But if you can do hard work, then business is better for you. And when you start to do this type of things like the business, of course you can help to more people in your society. Of course you can grow more, and you can care of the people, more people. But when you will start to do job, then you will be bounded by some money, you will be bounded by some time, your life will be bounded by something like that. If you are earning 30,000, it doesn't not depend on you that you will be earn after few months 40,000. It just depends on the manager of your company, on on the master of your company. If he will increase, if he will increase your salary, then you can earn, otherwise you cannot earn. So this is the lack point of the job. And what is the lack point of the business? So the main lack point of the business, if you have not good idea, if you have not good plan, if you don't know how can we have to start my business, how can we earn more money from by the help of less money, how can I take good profit from this business, then you will be face very big problem. Because I know there are so many people who spend a lot of money in the business, still they didn't success, because they don't know what is the basic rule to start a business. Because there is no, I already told you, if you are you as I already told you that if you have money, then you can start. If you have knowledge, you can start. But if you have not good behavior, you cannot start. So to make a good job business, to start good business, you should learn more. You should start a good business so you can learn more. So the next things as that I mean So the next thing is that if you are starting any kind of business, so first you have to read, you have to learn about that business, then you should enter that type of business. Because without learning, without listening every type of ideas about that business, if you will enter that type of business, of course you will spend your time, you will spend your money, but you will not get something from there. And I would like to tell you that nobody will teach you about the business, nobody give you the knowledge about the business. The only thing which will give you the knowledge about the business is your experience. When you will go to the market, when you will start to sell your product, when you will start to manufacture your product, some point you will face problem, some point you will get profit. So at that point you will learn something, that what is what did I do, that's why I faced the problem, and what did I do, that's why I earn money. So it just depend upon you. So you should try to learn more about the business. And if you are doing business, I would like to tell you that of course it is very risky thing, it is very risky thing. I'm not saying it is very risky, very risky thing, but if you can do, then you can you can take too much happy of life. You can wander any part of country, you can go anywhere of the anywhere, and you can take any type of luxurious life of upon this earth, because you have money. And money is very big thing. If you have money, then you can go anywhere, you can come and go anywhere, and you will have so many type of possession by which you can, and you can buy anything upon this earth. So this is the good point of the business. And so I would like to tell you that it just depend upon you, whatever you want to do. If you are interested to do start to do a job, you should go for that. If you don't know more about the business, you should go for the job. And if you want to start a business but you don't know how, what should I do for the starting the business, then you should learn about the business, and you should learn about the more knowledge about the business. Then you can start that type of business, and of course you will be get very beautiful result in your life. So I would like to only tell you that if you will start any kind of business, then you can give more job to the people. And when you will start any kind of business, you will contribute to your country, because you are not a servant, you are not doing service for the any one person. You are doing something on work. I am not saying job with the person who is doing job, they are servant. I only said that your time is not mounted by the other person, by the other person. You are free, whatever you can do, because life is your. If you are not, if you have not control in your life, if another person is running your life, so I think it is not better. So if you want to live better life, then you can do job with good way. But one thing is very important, that your knowledge. And suppose that if you are doing the private job, I know there are so many people who is doing private job, they are earning too much respect by the society, and they are earning too much money. So it just depend upon your knowledge or your quality, because there are so many things like important I mean, there are so many things is important to start a business and to do job. So whatever you want to do, you can do, but you have to do hard work. If you are a hard work person, you will achieve success, you will accomplish everything in your life. Whatever you want to do, you can take. And I often said that ability of a person is first requirement for the growth. So if you have good ability, then you can start something new, you can do something new. I will see you in the next video. So what is your response about this video? I will see you in the next video.